Hey guys, it's your makeup artist friend Kat here. Today we're going to do a character with these huge eyeglasses of Edna Mode from The Incredibles. If you haven't seen the newest Incredibles, where have you been? It is so good. It was absolutely amazing. Blew my mind out of the water. It was better than I expected. And Edna Mode is my absolute favorite character from the entire series. She has attitude and sass and so many talents. So talented. I love a hardworking girl who's talented. And me and Edna Mode happen to be the same race. Half Japanese, half German. I have other things, but she cool. She my favorite. So let's turn into her. First of all, let's get a wig cap because I cannot, unfortunately, grow the amazing, thick, luscious, dark hair that Edna Mode has. I just so happen to not inherit that gene from the Asian pool of glorious hair. And then I'm going to put some spirit gum. I know this looks like I'm just painting spit on my nose, but I swear to you it's spirit gum because I am going to get some nose and scar wax and lotion. I know it's weird, lotion, why? Well, what the lotion does, it makes it so there's a barrier between you, your hands, and this scar wax. It makes it easier for you to mold the scar wax into a nose. This costume is so easy if you want to do it for Halloween because if you don't have a prosthetic nose or don't know how to apply prosthetics, you could just make one out of nose and scar wax like I'm doing here, and all you need for the costume is a wig and some huge glasses. Nose and scar wax can be super duper tricky. I like using the benign one, and you want to do a huge blob on your nose and then start shaping out those nostrils and slowly adding bit by bit little thin pieces of nose and scar wax to make it smooth. She has a big bulbous nose and huge nostrils. You want to make sure it doesn't go into that crease of your nose, or else if you move your nose too much, it will buckle up. But you want the edges smooth, and we're going to put some flexible sealer on it and make sure it's completely dry. I did about 2 layers of flexible sealer, and as you can see here, I am putting on some lotion or a skin barrier makeup primer. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Skin Base. That is amazing and super expensive. We want luxury for Miss Edna Mode. Then I'm getting my Beauty Blender foundation. This is that Bounce foundation that is super full coverage, and we're just blending that into our skin with our expert multitasking face brush from Real Techniques. It's one of my absolute favorite foundation brushes. Then with a beauty sponge, I'm just getting more of that foundation to put it on my nose so it won't fall off while I'm putting foundation on it, girl. Then once all that foundation's on, I'm gonna get a full coverage concealer. I am using Tarte Shape Tape today, putting that on the top and bottom of my eyelids and then blending it out with a brush, making sure it's completely blended and there's no spots or creases. Then I'm gonna get some of this Tarte Shape Tape powder that's brightening for the under eyes and set just my under eyes because we're gonna get some black cream paint and paint in those nostrils. Edna Mode has huge nostrils. You probably don't even need this fake nose for this makeup. You could just paint on huge nostrils. I got this brown cream paint and I'm painting in the wrinkles. Edna Mode is older than I am, so I'm putting in some creases and wrinkles around my mouth and blending it out with a damp beauty sponge and some under eye bags. We want to look like she was tired, slaving on all those high fashion outfits she makes for the Incredibles family, and do some shadow on the outer corner with that cream paint as well, and blending that into the crease of our eye. You can even use some eyeshadows for this too, and I am blending it in my jawline, making sure Edna Mode has a jawline because she has a smaller, weaker chin and sides of her face than I do. Then I'm just getting some cream blush to put onto Edna Mode's cheeks. She has more of a natural makeup look, so I want to make her blush look natural too. With the same cream blush, I'm just going to use it as lipstick. So if you don't have cream blush, you can also use lipstick that's like in a natural peachy color. And with that contour cream, I'm just contouring even more and shadowing around my nose, getting some translucent setting powder and setting my nose in the rest of my face so that makeup won't budge or go anywhere. You can also use some setting spray for this. And now it's time for this big furry jacket. I got this gorgeous jacket a long time ago. It looks like honestly like I'm putting a monkey costume on. But now it is time for this Edna Mode wig. I got this from Amazon and it came with the glasses. You just have to brush out this hair. The hair is very hot and heavy, but it looks so much like Edna Mode's hair. It really sets it off and makes your head look huge, which is what you want to look like this animated character. You don't even have to do your eyebrows for this, girl, because we're gonna put those giant glasses to block out them brows and the haters and anyone who's questioning Edna. I'm just darkening in my nostrils, making sure they're on point, so she could sniff out all the fake designers. And with that, we're completely done with our Edna Mode makeup transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this. Leave a comment down below on what other makeup transformations you would love to see on my channel. I have so many more to come. You just have to make sure you have your lips tilted to the side with a little bit of sass and attitude and confidence to be Edna. That's why I like her. She's so confident. And now it's time to turn back into ourselves, back into a human. Honestly, if I could be any character, I wouldn't want to be a superhero. I want to be behind the scenes helping out the superheroes. I would want to be Edna Mode. No matter what age or body type, she is amazing. If you guys do this makeup or any makeup from my YouTube channel this Halloween season, please take a picture of yourself, post it on Instagram, and #katsketch so that I can find you guys, like it, and love it. I love to see your guys' makeups. It makes my life. You can subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I am everywhere. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below as always. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye.